back to Kevin's Trooper channel. Thank you for joining me today. Today is the first in a series of videos on me taking this stock bumper off and replacing it with a steel bumper that I'm going to be welding up. I ordered my bumper from Move, M-O-V-E bumpers. The kit came in, it looks pretty good, everything's solid, it looks like it's cut really straight. I'll know more whenever I start installing it and welding it up, but the way that works is you order the plates steel, and you need a welder, and you take your bumper off and start welding the kit together. So it's already all pre-cut, but you just have to weld it up and get it straight and how you want it. It does come with at least the one I ordered comes with a winch plate, and I have a winch that I'm going to be installing on there as well. So my bumper's a little more complex than the non-winch bumpers, but hey, it's all just welding. So stay tuned. This is going to be part one. Right now what I'm doing is I'm removing the stock bumper, and then when I get that done, we'll be right back. Alright guys, what I did here was I went ahead and put my winch on my plate so that I can make sure everything is going to fit in there like it's supposed to, and you can see it fits pretty good. I'm going to scoot this plate down just slightly from all the way forward just to give me a little extra room in the front in case I need it. I'm concerned this is going to be sticking back too far, so I don't want to go back too far, but that's what I got so far. It's looking good. All right, we'll be right back. All right, here's what I've got done so far today. I got my ends on, and I put a little piece of angle iron in here. I have to finish welding that up a little bit better just to give that a little bit more support. And then I got all my ends welded on. Pretty good. This Lincoln welder, I've had a lot of problems with it. Let's see, you guys. Okay, so that Lincoln welder, I've had a lot of problems with it. The first one I got, it kept throwing the breaker, so I had my electrician come out and look, and it wasn't the breaker. The welder was pulling over 40 amps, and that's why it was blowing the breaker, so it had something wrong with it. So I brought it into the Lincoln dealer here, and they couldn't fix it, so they sent them a new one, or at least Lincoln decided to send them a new one. And this new one's throwing the breaker sometimes too. I mean, I know with that little handy core, I'm kind of maxing it out, but you know, for a project this big, it's just designed for kind of tinkering. But I'm going to try to get through it. I may call Lincoln and try to get them to send me another one. I might even see if they'll upgrade it for the next highest one or something. I don't know. I'm going to call them tomorrow. But anyway, I feel like I got quite a bit done. I got the inside all welded up. Of course, I have to weld the outside, but you really want the outside a lot prettier, so I'm going to take my time and put some nice beads in that outside. I'm going to put it up on a table where I can, you know, take my time and relax. But anyway, I think I got a lot done today. I'm going to finish welding up that little piece, and then it's Sunday afternoon, so I probably won't get back at it until probably till next Friday, because I'm off on Fridays.